Hey guys, this is how to fix McDonald's app not working. So guys, make sure to watch till the end in order for you to understand multiple solutions. And I will show the step-by-step guide for Apple users on the left side of the screen. So the first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply tap on search at the bottom and tap on the search bar at the top. And from here, just simply search for the McDonald's app and just simply tap on the application and tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and make sure to enable the auto update so you won't have any issues. And guys, if there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update. So now another solution that you might want to consider is just simply go to the settings. And after that, just simply go to the apps. And after that, just simply try to find McDonald's over here or tap on the search bar at the top. And now search for McDonald's and tap on the application. And now just simply go for the storage and tap on a clear cache and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to fix it. And now, another option that you might want to consider is just simply go back on the top left corner and now just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And now just simply go back to your Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device and you should be able to fix the app. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.